Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have the March Allure box, so let's get in, see what we've got. So we are on an Allure roller coaster. We have months down here, we have months up here. Last month kind of split the difference. The value in the box was incredible. Because of my sensitive skin, I couldn't use quite a bit of it, but that is not their fault. So let's get in and see what March holds. When we open it up, this is what it looks like. We have our little pamphlet that will tell us a little bit about each of these products from the perspective of someone that works for Allure who tried and loved these products. We have a coupon or something. I'll read that in a second. And that's what the inside looks like. I don't think I have seen anybody unbox this yet. I don't think I have. And I had heard that it was supposed to be a good month, so I have a lot of hope. Right on top, we have this paperwork that says there's a lot to unpack. Tips from our editors to help you get the most out of the products in your beauty box. So what this is telling us on the back is, so we must have a 111 skin booster because it's telling us on the back that our booster falls between our toner and our serum, that the effective order to use is cleanser, toner, booster, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen. And it says to avoid using vitamin C and other alpha hydroxy acids like glycolic or lactic acid because they destabilize each other, which makes me think since I can't use any of those products, I'm not gonna be able to use this booster. But let's dive in. Right on top, I have this big bag and it says B. Glenn Clay Wash, Beverly Glenn Laboratories, Huntington Beach, California. And that is what the bag looks like. Let's go ahead and take it out. It's really heavy. It's a little tube, but I just painted my nail in an Ipsy bag that I did, so if you haven't seen that video, that's why I have one nail that doesn't match the others. I got that pretty pink. Anyway, back to this one. This is made in Japan, and it is 15 grams or 0.53 ounces. I read the ingredients and I can use it, so let's try a little bit. It comes out really, really quickly. It's far more moist. I don't know what I was anticipating. When you start rubbing it in, it's cleanser, so it just turns into wetness. It doesn't have much of a scent at all. And I feel like if I tried really hard, I could probably get it to foam up. Let's see what the person that tried it thought about it. B. Glenn Clay Wash Mild Facial Cleanser. The natural clay in this creamy formula acts like a vacuum for impurities and excess sebum, making it extremely effective for those who produce a lot of oil or wear lots of makeup. Okay, well, I do fall into one of those categories. I have found that it's great at taking off a full face of foundation. It's also gentle enough for dry or combination skin like mine. The blend of hydrating hyaluronic acid, barrier strengthening squalene, and soothing chamomile extract leave my skin feeling softer and has made the non-foaming cleanser one of my bathroom shelf staples. So it's not gonna foam. I don't mind when cleansers don't foam. I can get past that, but what I do find is I use way too much because I always think, well, did I use enough? Because without the foaming there to prove it, I worry I didn't use enough. If this were full-sized, it would have a $44 value, so I will let you know what the value of this is. Reaching in next, we have that 111 skin we were talking about. Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Yowza. The fourth ingredient down on it is citric acid. Oh, licorice. Doesn't matter what else it has. It has licorice in it. I can't use it. So I will show it to you in its bottle, but I will not take it out from there. This is the 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. That is what it looks like. And the paperwork says, vitamin C is the star of my skincare routine. Not only does it help treat the signs of existing damage, like fine lines and dark spots, but because it's an antioxidant, it also proactively protects skin from environmental stressors. The ingredient is such a powerhouse that I've often overlooked the fact that most vitamin C serums are sticky, smelly, and tinted, leaving a veil of orange across my fair skin. I have actually had that happen with other oils. 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster is none of those things. The crystal clear formula has no discernible smell and absorbs quickly and easily. And this has a $155 value. That is quite lovely, and I'm sure someone will enjoy it very much. So I guess there's no question about did Allure bring the bang this month. It's a $23 beauty box that we have been saying for the last couple of months. Is it really worth it? Well, I'm here to tell you, if you can use that serum, it's worth it this month because that is a $155 serum. Next, we have Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. I love hand creams. I can never get enough hand creams. This says it is the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, and it is a $24 value. I wonder if that's full size. This is 1.3 fluid ounces. This looks like the one they're showing us. Yeah, the one they're showing us that's full size is 3.4. This is just a bit more than a third, so this probably has a $9 to $10 value. My hands have spent the past year in a deep, smoldering depression. The body attached to them has also had a rough way to go, but that's another story entirely. Every trip outside has been bookended by strenuous washing, but things are looking up now that I've got this formula. With its cream cheese frosting texture that sinks into and soothes cracked hands, a single application lasts for hours, and I love that it contains witch hazel for when my eczema recurs, and it smells light and foresty. Well, let's look into all that. I mean, it's kind of thick, but I wouldn't say it's cream cheese frosting texture. It's very nice though. Oh, it's very, you know, I'm just not great at scents. I would not describe this as foresty. It's just very clean and kind of lotiony. I guess one person's lotion is another person's forest. That said, the back of my hand feels miraculous. It really did make a difference on the back of my hand, an incredible difference. I just need hand creams constantly. What's this? Oh, it's, okay, makes more sense now. It's like, I mean, it's really cute. Don't get me wrong. It's super cute. I'm guessing it's a pencil sharpener? Yeah, it's a pencil sharpener. So I think probably you take the top off, empty it out. This is so cute. I just bought a julep pencil sharpener that I like a lot too, but this one is the bigger because, so. And then we have the Dusk Double Act Shadow Stick. Oh, it's a shadow stick. So it's thinking it was going to be a liner. And I got Dusk, oh, and Dawn. So it's going to be dual-ended. Dusk is an incredibly dark brown, and Dawn is kind of more of a milk chocolatey color. These are shadow sticks. I have to tell you, I don't think I'll use them as shadow sticks, but I might use them as eyeliners. We'll have to see how much they move because they do have a pretty creamy texture, but I think I might like them more as an eyeliner than a shadow stick. I don't think I have the talent to make that look good on my eye. This says, how do you make a smoky eye look naturally messed up as opposed to, well, a train wreck? Yeah, that's a question I cannot answer. This multitasking pencil is an excellent start. On one end, you'll find Dusk, a deep chocolatey brown, and on the other end, a warm bronzy brown called Dawn. I guess it's kind of bronzy. While each looks great worn alone or as a liner, excellent. These creamy, easily blendable shades really shine when paired together. I blend Dawn all over my lids and then concentrate on Dusk in the outer corners, working it into my lower lash line about 3/4 of the way in for a quintessentially grungy look. $25 value. Well, I find that I am seldom looking for a grungy look. Let's see. Now that I've had, oh yeah, see, I worry about this as a liner. So I've had this on for a couple of minutes. You guys have seen that. And look what I just did. Easy peasy. Actually, that makes me think that I can't do it as an eyeliner because I don't know that that's going to have eyeliner staying power. But it blended so easily that it does make me feel like maybe I could work with it on my eyes. It might be fun to play with. Okay, reaching in next, I have something from Mud Masky. Let's put my glasses on and see what it is. It is the, oh, dark circles is the first thing I see. Mud Masky Serum Infused Eye Mask. Dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin, swelling. Well, that all sounds very good. Okay, yay, this is something that I can try. That said, 1, 2, 3, 5 ingredients down into this long list of ingredients here. The phenoxyethanol, that is the preservative, is way up near the top of the list. This is 1 fluid ounce and it says, I have naturally dark circles under my eyes. So I always want to make sure that that part of my mug is well taken care of. This under eye mask, a thin, runny gel, feels cooling as you tap it on. I rinsed it off after the recommended 8 minutes and noticed that my eyes were less puffy and my dark circles didn't seem as prominent. Plus, the formula contains goji berry extract and berries are our gift from Mother Nature, says dermatologist Mona Gahare. They are little antioxidant powerhouses that gobble up free radicals that wreak cosmetic havoc on the skin. This is a full-size product, 1 fluid ounce, and it is a $56 value. Wow, it was touch and go. I really didn't think for a minute we were getting in here. That was well sealed. I'm gonna try and put as little of this as I can, yeah, on the back of my hand, because if it's as good as they say, I wanna save it for my under eyes. I'm kind of surprised. It has a really dark color. That's kind of interesting. Feels very smoothing. Not much scent, kind of just bright. Yeah, I like that a lot. I will definitely be trying that under my eyes. Anything that says that it might even help a little bit with my dark under eye circles, I am completely gonna try. Last but not least, yes, yet another product. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our 6th product, and it is a Pixie by Petra Lip Glow. Yay. I got it in Ruby. This is kind of fun. All right, Allure. Okay, you've definitely bought yourself April. I'm definitely sticking around for April because this is a good box. That is what that looks like on the inside. So I imagine this is our color. And the paperwork says Pixie Beauty Lip Glow. My work from home routine is extremely minimal for a person who typically leaves the house with random shapes or animals painted around her eyes. I don't understand that. Before hopping on Zoom, I usually tie up my hair into a messy bun and swipe on Pixie Lip Glow. The barely there color with a refreshing minty scent and smoothing shea butter is my favorite way to look like a professional businesswoman, even when I have nothing else on but glasses and a concert tee. The color has a lovely my lips but better hue that lasts all day, brings out the glow in my cheeks, and helps me look more awake and radiant, but casually cool. I don't even have to put on mascara or a real shirt, and it has a $14 value. I still need mascara. If I'm gonna see any other human on the face of the earth, I need mascara. Let's see how this does. I wish that my lips were ready for it, but I don't think they are. Oh, just for the record, it twists up from the bottom. I'm busy trying to twist the top, and it twists up from this red piece. Oh, that's gonna be so pretty. I like that so much. She's right. It's like a Your Lips, but better. It's just kind of a gloss. I can't smell the mint on it. She talked about being minty, but it might be more subtle when it's on your lips. All right. I have to admit, guys, I'm really happy with my Allure box this month because we got the full-size Pixie Lip Glow. I like that. The Mud Masky Under Eye Depuffing, gonna help get rid of dark circles, 8-minute mask. I'm all about that. This Clay Cleanser, I'm happy to try because even though it's sometimes in the summer, I need these kinds of things. Is it an eyeliner? Is it an eyeshadow? I don't know, but it did come with this cute little sharpener, so I'm gonna try it. We have the Ahava hand cream. I am very happy with that. And the 111 Skin, which is the hero product, vitamin C brightener, which I can't use, but I will surely find a good home for. Okay, that was the Allure March box. Let me know what you think. I think it was a good month. I mean, I think this is not just like, okay, this is a good month for Allure. I think this is a good box. I mean, we have 2 actual makeup products. I love that. All of our boxes have been so, I think, skincare heavy lately. And I like skincare, but I love makeup because, I'll tell you why. Because I have eye masks and I have cleansers. And I find the ones that I like, and my inclination is to use that cleanser until it's gone, which might take me 2 months. But I could have several eyeshadow palettes. But if I get a new one today, I'm still gonna use that one tomorrow because you don't commit to an eyeshadow palette until it's gone, like I do with skincare. So it's easier for me to work more makeup into my routine than it is skincare. We should do a tour of my room in here soon. I have just shelves of skincare here, and that's not even talking about what I have downstairs. So I love it when we get makeup too. But let me know below what you guys think. How do you think Allure did this month? Do you think they did well for Allure, or do you think it's a good box? Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you guys really soon. Take care of that.